Hey, what's up, good people? Listen, this is Stock Up with Larry Jones. If you are new to this page, go ahead, hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. I'm going to try to get this one up and out early as the markets are going up nicely today. The NASDAQ is back up again. Good people, we're going to be in this trading range now where we have a red day, a green day, a red day, a green day. All the while, when you zoom up, we are actually inching up. So I'm gonna get right into this one. Thank you for everyone that is showing your phone to 4 to 5 other people and subscribing to the page. Let's get to the business. We'll talk about that in a minute, all right? Yep, I'm gonna put on my Mr. Magoo glasses because I can see real good out of these, all right? So don't y'all laugh too much, all right? So listen, AMD is up 7% right now. AMD is up 7%. You guys know they're doing that deal with OpenAI, and it is not over. AMD has a lot of room to run, okay? A lot of room to run. I'm gonna take these off because that don't look right. A lot of room to run has AMD. I truly believe. So I'm gonna buy the dips and I'm not selling the rips. I'm going to add to my positions as I believe that AMD has a lot more room to run, even in this market with, PEs, evaluations inflated and everything. I'm really just nibbling on AMD right now, but I had some, like I told you guys, in the portfolios, but I'm really looking for a nice little dip and to really get in. It's up another 17%. Listen, when OpenAI becomes public, if you're not in some way into OpenAI, I wish they would allow us to get in privately, but they won't. You and I, all of us together, we don't have enough money to get in there. They just save that for the big boys. All right, let me keep this going. Joby, ticker symbol GOBY. It's an aviation company. So they just had this day where all of these, they had this display, they were showing their helicopters, they were in electric helicopters. I mean, they literally take up and go up vertically and then they just shoot out. They had that display and it spiked up even more. So we were up real nice in our Joby play, or should I say I was up nice in my Joby stock. I've had it since last year, and it's been performing extremely well. And then it had another bump up when they had that. Now, remember yesterday when I was talking to you about what these companies do that caused them to go down? Well, Joby tumbled on Joby stock tumbled on a $513 million stock offering. Share dilution, okay? Right after they had their air taxi demo. So, is it wrong, Larry? That's wrong. Why do they do this? Is there something wrong with the stock? Should I sell it all and go away? Nope. We bought some more today in Money Moves. We bought more of Joby, ticker symbol GOBY. That stock and that company has a lot of runway, and I want to be in early. I was in early, and I'm going to keep it going. Just like I told you guys on yesterday, soon as they do these share dilutions, okay, that is generally the time to buy. And even at the time of this, it was down about 11% when we purchased it, and it's still down. And I like it long term, right? So if you have a red day, don't freak out. I'm holding this one for years. So when you hear about these stock offerings and these share dilutions, just understand and see why. They have to do it after they have an influx of money. Now they can use that money for, mergers, M&As, more product, research and development, or, to build more, helicopters. You need funds to run these companies. So nothing wrong with it. All right, let's go to some of the quantum computing stock because they're not all operating the same. Okay, sorry, man. I don't know what's this mosquito or something. Just keep hitting me upside the head. Get away from me, man. Get away from me. All right. I'm from the West Side, fool. All right. So let's see here. QUBC is down right now. QUBT is down, right? Rigetti is up 3%, right? And D-Wave is flat. So it's fluctuating. And just remember, one or a couple of these will do a share offering, okay? A stock offering, they're gonna do the same thing that Joby did, okay? And the one from yesterday. They have to raise capital. It's not a bad thing. And you have to see where they're calling the price to. So go into, read the articles and see where they're calling it to, and that's where you buy. I do that all of the time. It's been working for me. I continue to make money. Now, SoundHound is up 8% today. I do have that in the same portfolio with my quantum computing stock. Anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. I'm just telling you guys what I'm doing, all right? So let me talk about, right quick, the S&P and NASDAQ is up as Wall Street push past government shutdown. We know this government is shut down. Wall Street is saying, so what? Like I told you guys in the beginning, just before the shutdown and on the day of the shutdown, the stock market actually goes up during the shutdown. When was the last shutdown? The last government shutdown? It was in 2018. Who was the president? President Donald Trump was the president. All right? So what I'm saying to you guys is look for opportunity. Don't lay down and complain. Just look for opportunity. Okay? All right? Let the politicians fight these political battles. You and I are going to focus on, keep our eyes on the prize and focus. Okay? Because at the end of the day, they're going to walk away with bags of money while we're down here like peasants fighting their battles. That was my point for the day on that. All right, let's go to Bitcoin. Right. Bitcoin is slightly up to 123.3 at the time of filming this. So 123K, around 300,000, 123,300-ish, right? But Ethereum is mostly flat, around 4,500-ish, okay? So what I like is the alts are showing strength. The altcoins are showing strength. So if you look at how they are moving now compared to Bitcoin, if you ask me, I see that as a sign of strength, because not too long ago, if Bitcoin went down by 3%, these would fall by 7-8%. And the correlation is almost in lockstep, which is showing me, and I know it's taking a long time, Larry. What's going on with these altcoins? They haven't woke up yet. We should be here. We should be there. Time is running out. We're in October. December's around the corner. Listen, I'm telling you guys, from the last time, for months now, many months now, I told you guys I'm holding. I did some trading. I did some stop losses and all of that months ago. But as it stands right now, I'm holding all of my coins. I'm holding all my Bitcoin. I added to my Ethereum months ago. I told you guys, especially in Money Moves. And I'm holding my meme coins, okay? I'm holding them all. I still got my Bunk. I still got my Pepe. Yep, I still got a little Shiba Inu, all right? And so I'm holding them all because I do believe that they're going to continue to pump like they do every year. Major banks, Citibank, JP Morgan, Citi is calling Bitcoin to 133K. JP Morgan with the most, I'm not gonna say that about Jamie Dimon. He is the most negative on crypto. He calls it a pet rock. His bank is calling Bitcoin to 165K by the end of this year, all right? You do the math. I told you guys, and I'm gonna keep telling you guys, Wall Street is, some of Wall Street, not all of it, is evil. Some of what these people do, the CEO of JP Morgan, you know, it's crap, it's funny money while they're secretly buying it, and now they're calling it to high prices, so they push the price down. Don't fall for the okie doke, good people. These people have done this for years. They've taken our money. They'll force the market down. You bought at the top and then you sold at the bottom and they call you dumb money. We're not falling for that anymore. And lastly, all right, so I can get back to class. Listen, I'm here learning here at Vid Summit, learning to do what I do better. I want to thank all of you guys that are sharing my page. I see my subscribers going up. I'm going to keep asking. I want every one of you, because there's a lot of money to be made in stocks and a ton of money to be made in crypto. Go to 5 of your friends, family members, fathers, mothers, daughters, kids, nephews, neighbors' kids, grab their phones, go to YouTube, pull up Stock Up You, and hit subscribe. Because we want to make them money so they don't ask you for your money. And lastly, after that there are some links below. Just click down. I see you guys are signing up for Stock Up You. Good move. All of this money we've been making, I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars off of warrants in the last year. I have a whole chapter about warrants. It's easy money. And I show you what you need to know about warrants. I have a whole chapter in Stock Up You about crypto. Everything you need to know to make money in crypto and how to protect your gains, all right? And we have a options full course coming. So buy it now before the price goes up. We will see you tomorrow. Live, love, laugh, and learn. Remember, 5 people. Subscribe, then go down into the description and check out the links below. Look, come join this family as we on this money train, and we've been on this money train for the last 5 years. We got 5 more to go, good people. We'll see you later. Live, love, laugh, and learn.